Hi, I'm Jeremy, and welcome to another episode of Practical IT. In this episode, we're going to continue our look at LibreOffice Writer. We'll be using the Linux version in Ubuntu just to show that there's not that much difference between the Windows version and versions for Linux and Mac OS. Alright, we've got our sample document that we worked with in the first video. As you can see, our title is bold, and if we select that, we can either use the options in the formatting bar, or we can use our keyboard combinations. So if we wanted to make it right justified, we could do Control R. If we want to move it back to center, Control E. Left justified would be Control L. Another keyboard combination is Control Z, which is our undo. You also have undo in the edit menu. Let's see, our next topic in formatting is find and replace. Find, your shortcut would be Control F. And our search bar comes up down at the bottom. If we hit the backspace key to get rid of the currently selected text, we could search for, let's use the word goal, and hit enter, and it'll highlight the first instance, and enter again, and it will tell you reach the end of the document. So this is the only instance of the word goal in our document. What if we wanted to do a replace? Well, we can go to the edit menu, and Control H is replace, find and replace specifically. So we can come back to our document and say Control H. Say we want to search for goal, and we want to replace it with objective, and we'll say replace and close, and as you can see, goal has been replaced with objective. Indents and tabs. Well, let's come down to the bottom of the document. If we were to start a new paragraph and just start typing, alright, so it starts off by default as left justified. Normally, if you want to indent, you're going to hit the tab key, which will take you in 5 spaces. There are other options that are available to you. If you want to set a smaller indent, you come up into the ruler and you click where you want the indent to be. And then if you hit tab, you're going to go in fewer spaces. So we'll take that back. We'll come up here and we'll just drag that out, and it's gone. And so once again, if we hit tab, it's going to go in the default 5 spaces. Alright, we're going to get rid of this piece of text, and we're going to play with lists. So I've got 2 headings here, network management systems and installation steps. So if we come under network management systems, we've got the option to do bullets. If we want to list out, generally if we're going to list out like topics, we use bullets. If we're going to list out steps to do a procedure, to perform a procedure, then we'd usually use numbering. So network management systems might include things like NAGIOS, OpenNMS, and LibreNMS. Alright, so if we want to do installation steps, we can do a numbered list. And we might do download software, install software, configure software. The next thing is we might have a need to put a hyperlink in a document we're working on. Say we want to put a hyperlink in for Google. We're going to have the text appear as just Google, but we want the hyperlink to take us to google.com. So we can select that, come up to the Insert menu, and select Hyperlink. And in the URL box, we'd type https://www.google.com. And click OK. Now our text is in a bluish purple color and it is underlined. Another thing we can do is we can change our spacing. As you can see, I've set the whole article to be double spaced. But say we wanted to make our lists appear single space. So you would select the text you want single space. Let's actually come up from this side. Right click, go to the paragraph menu, and we're going to set this piece of text area to single spacing and set OK. So now it's a little bit more compact and we can draw attention to that area. Those were the basics of the things that I wanted to cover in this section on working with text and formatting. In future episodes, we will get further into our look at LibreOffice Writer. We will likely use the Mac version of LibreOffice in a future video. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up button. If you want notifications of future videos, click the bell icon. You can always leave feedback below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.